Morning. What's up, everyone? How's it going? All right, so we have news in about 7 minutes. We have CPI and core CPI. So we'll be watching the charts for that. DXY is barely kind of consolidated throughout the day. We'll see if it heads up for this level. I called yesterday in our analysis with the Spanish members. And if it does so, then that should give us a good sell-off. And obviously, if it's going to sell off, then your USD, GU, and all those other pairs should buy up. Same as yesterday. Like I mentioned, DXY comes up here. We might see Euro come down to these levels to then further continue going up as well. GU. I don't want to see GU come down too much. Possibly just around this area in here. I don't want to see the low being taken out. And I want to see a further push to the upside to take out these equal highs here, which we've been taking our way up there, like I mentioned yesterday with Spanish session, that we wouldn't want to see much of a retracement, and we really haven't. We've just been digging up to into these highs there. So far it's looking good. We're currently just having a small retracement with the candles here, testing this consolidation. So that could also give some support for price. We might see it start heading up with the news. So we'll see what it actually gives us with the news event. And long term, we want to see these highs be taken out. USD CAD doesn't really look good to trade today. I talked about gold yesterday as well, that we could head down into this area before starting heading up. Currently it's been doing so that's good. We took out these lows, took out this low. Almost about to take out this low. We should deal with the news though. Or we just tapped into it actually, barely. So you got 2 more minutes for news. We actually have a buy with Euro with Pips Profit Club members. I sent a signal just as I woke up. It's a little bit above break even at 1.1800. Sorry, 1.1810. That's where we bought. And our stops below this low, right? So I'm thinking this run here pretty much already took out all these stop losses from yesterday, or I mean from today, and intraday stop losses, and yesterday's New York session. So I don't really care if I'm wrong, because if I'm wrong, then it should buy up down here. I'm just scaling in case it doesn't, just to make sure it doesn't pretty much leave without me. But got a small position there on 1.8210, just the 10 pip stop loss. If it takes out that low, then it's gonna come down here to afterwards reverse. So we have the scenarios that should occur. So that's news event. We already had a really nice pump. Pretty much up about 10 pips right now. We should start seeing it expand even more higher. Let's look at GU. GU also had a big pump up. Okay, about 20 pips in profit, $2,000 up. I had a 10K lot on, so that's pretty good. Some good money. We already took out this high. I want to see it start expanding higher into these highs here. If we break these this line here, it's going to be really bullish. I don't want to see it stall in there. If not, it's just going to keep on consolidating or possibly even reverse afterwards. ¿Qué tal, José? Ahí subí el video de anoche, de hecho, por si lo quieres ver en Telegram. Ahí está el video. Ahorita estamos en compras con EuroUSD. Con los Pitch Traffic Club Members entramos en 1.1810. Entonces ya llevamos alrededor de 23 pips en profit. Ok, déjenles mando decir que pongan sus stops en break-even. Ya que en sí no debería de regresar el precio, debería de continuar expandiéndose para este alto de aquí. Nuestro segundo TP es este alto de aquí a los 1.1850s, our second TP. And then we might have a third TP, or I'll let something run for these highs here. At least. Do 1.1880. looks like it was a really good start of the day today. Just hopped on and made some money right away. Any other pairs you guys want to look at? I think I set this off for 1 hour, so we have about. What time did I send the link in? ¿Hay algún otro par que quieran que veamos? Nos tendremos como unos 40 minutos más de esta sesión. Básicamente yo ya terminé para el día, pero podemos seguir viendo más tablas. G already took out equal highs. You want to see this expand and not come back down, because that means it's just took liquidity to reverse. So you want to see it start really expanding up into these highs here. Twilight said also melted. Okay, so it should start expanding back again. It already came back up and tested this level. So we should see further expansion to the downside and taking out this low for DXY. Same for Euro. Euro already came back all the way down, testing these highs. So it should start expanding back up again and attack this high here. Let's look at gold. Oof, gold had a really nice reaction after taking this low. You guys can see how the stop hunt occurred first, and then it expanded out. Okay, as you guys can see, starting to expand again. So we should see the same thing for Euro. I think of a while more for Euro and G currently. Gold's really want to head up. Looks like it had a support here with this level, this box that I have here. traded through it, came back down, tested it, and it should propel price to take out this high. And we'll see if it comes up to these highs, but definitely these highs, I think it should come up to. We shall see. It's really just stalling now. I don't really like that too much because it took out, for G, it took out 2 daily highs and equal highs. So I'm just paying close attention just in case it doesn't reverse on me. I already took most half of my lot size out at 2 to 1, 3 to 1. Took a portion here at 1830, so that's a 2 to 1, and I took something else at 1840, so that's 3 to 1 so far, and I left the other half on just in case to see if it comes up here and up here. So we'll see if we get that. Let's go to 1 minute. At the most, it should just stay consolidated here. Maybe take out this low, but I don't want to see it come all the way down into these lows or this consolidation anymore. The only liquidity or important liquidity that we took out here with Euro is just the intraday high, but it's not as significant as with Pound, since Pound did take out daily highs and equal highs. If it further expands, it should still be good. Yeah, that's what I don't want to see with either Euro or Pound. Let's look at Euro GP. Hopefully Euro GP does what I want to do, what I want to see it to do, which is come up to this level, around 0.8560, and then afterwards head down. That would give me a good opportunity for Euro to keep on rallying. I'm most likely going to be doing more educational videos later on. I might do one today. I'm not sure. I'm not sure when I'm going to start, but I'm going to start doing some educational videos. So if you guys want to help me, give me some ideas or anything that you guys struggle the most with, just drop it in the chat or drop it in comment on this video, and I'll take that in consideration so I could help you guys with whatever you guys have difficulty on. Okay, I'll probably do both Spanish and English, like educational videos or lessons. Voy a empezar a subir videos más educacionales en YouTube para los que me quieren dar ideas o tienen una dificultad, algo en el trading que quieran mejorar, solo coméntenlo en el chat o en este video para tomarlo en cuenta después cuando empiece a comenzar. Espero hacer uno hoy, más no sé cuándo lo vaya a estar subiendo, la verdad. All right, so we started seeing more expansion now. So I want to see Euro keep expanding up, take out the high just created and keep expanding up into this high. We'll see. ¿Qué quieres? You guys hear that cat in the background? She's asking for food. So far, everything looks good. We don't really have any relative news. I mean, this isn't really volatile. It's like Chinese currency. So I don't think there's going to be much for today. Tomorrow, we're going to really have some really crazy volatility on Wednesday. There's a lot of news all throughout London for pound. Then we have Canadian dollar at 7:30 around this time. So I'll probably get on with this profit club. I'll think about doing a live tomorrow as well. If you guys want a live, make sure I hit that like button. If we get 5 likes, I'll go ahead and do that live session tomorrow as well for Canadian dollar news. I have Canadian dollar, USD, Empire State Manufacturing. Oh, there's just a lot of news through news. We have 7:30, then 8:15, and then 9:30 again with crude oil inventory. So USD CAD should have a really nice setup tomorrow. NZD in the afternoon, and then unemployment change for AUD. Thursday's a little bit also high, medium impact news at 7:30, and then we have Friday. So we'll see what we get throughout the next sessions or days. If a cat had a nice fall. If we break this low here, I think we're gonna really start coming all the way down here, possibly even down below these equal lows here. So I'll be watching USD CAD here today because it could buy up, take these highs out from where it's at now. But if it does take out this low, then I'm going to be really, really bearish on USD CAD for the next coming days. Gold came up, hit a level. Look how precise those levels are. That's nice. Reverse from there. So we'll see if this area in here gives us some support for gold. Which it should keep on pressing up because we already took a large amount of liquidity here. And we did leave this and this, but it's not that necessary. I mean, with this current liquidity that we have is just enough for it to send gold higher. Make sure you guys like this video so we could have a live session tomorrow. We only need 5 likes. There's 5 people watching. I added a like myself, so we just need 4. We actually need just 3 more likes. We get 3 more likes on this video, I'll send a link tomorrow or do another live session tomorrow with you guys with for CAD news and USD news. AG looks like it's already coming back up. That gives me a good indication that these equal highs weren't just taken out to come back down. It looks like they were taken out to keep on expanding up. Okay, so that's a good sign that of price action that I like to see. Euro looks like it's struggling, but I mean, they could catch up later. I'm not that worried about it. My stop's already at break even, and I have another stop at 18.25 right there, which I almost got stopped out again, but it did get protected. Looks like it's kind of swerving away back up again, so that's good. GXY is about to take out this low. I'll be taking another partials once Euro heads up into this high here. Yeah, it looks really, really nice. We should really see some big expansions down. Do you guys hear those birds? There's a shitload of birds outside on the window right now. Yeah, but the rest of the week looks pretty good. I like the market structure. I like the news events that are coming. Everything looks really good. Euro is about to take out its high, 1850. We'll see if it reaches there. AUD yesterday, I mentioned about these lows being taken out to go higher. I actually said that I would like this low, only this low, or possibly this low be taken out. I didn't expect it to go all the way down here, but it still did. It came all the way down and then reversed, like I said I was expecting. I was expecting to see some source, some kind of liquidity be taken to help it reverse afterwards. So AUD could still come up above these highs and possibly inside of this level in here. Did I say USD CAD? I meant AUD USD. Can't remember what I said. USD CAD doesn't look like it's going to respect this level, so it's most likely going to trade through the low. UJ has a lot of liquidity down here, a lot of liquidity. So that's where it's most likely going to be heading throughout the next week or month. A lot of money down there, so it's going to be reaching for money. Gold already came down, tested, like I said, see if we see some support there. We did, rallied up. That's another 80 pip, 90, 100 pip move right there. Taking out this high here. I think we should still see expand though. If you guys got in gold down here, I mean, oof, you got a really good entry. And you should be able to hold it at least for these highs. That's where I see gold coming up to. But yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be all for today. I mean, the market already gave me what I was looking for. I'm glad I was able to get my day early today. So I'll see you guys next time. If the video gets 5 likes, like I said, we will be doing a live session tomorrow. Okay. Entonces, nos vemos para la próxima, chavos. Yo creo que va a ser todo el trading para el día de hoy, ya que ya se vio los objetivos o lo que yo quería ver. Ya tuve mi entrada. Fue buena la sesión de hoy, muy corta. Ya puedo continuar con el resto del día y nos estaremos viendo para la próxima. Si este video alcanza los 5 likes, estaremos conectándonos nuevamente el día de mañana para otra sesión en vivo, ¿va? Nos vemos para la próxima. Que tengan un buen día.